We're having such a beautiful question here. It's actually, I think it should be a WAEC question. Let me look for it. Is it WAEC question or JAMB? Okay, it's actually, UTME question 2009. It's a UTME question, JAMB 2009. So this is very simple. So to answer this question, so we just have to remember our formula, and then since it's G, we are making subject of formula, so let's do so. We already know that it's going to be this over m₁m. So basically we have force. So let me start right away. What is force? We know that force is what? Mass times acceleration, and this is distance, and so it's going to be in meters, so let me call it length square over kilogram square. This is mass too, so I could leave it as mass if I so wish. So let me leave it as mass. Now we know that mass, acceleration due to acceleration is meter per second square, right? Something like this, meter per second square. So I can say the dimension is length t minus 2 when you take it up this way. So from something like this, yes. So multiply by length square over what? M times what? M. Are you following? This cancel this. Okay. And if that's the case, so it means that I'm left with one mass. That mass comes up. When it comes up, it becomes minus. And then what happened to L? I am having L to be 3. How? 1 L here, 2 L here. From the law of indices, you had, it becomes 3. Then T is now what? Minus 2. That's T. So it means that if you compare to what we have, mx, ly, and tz, it means that my x is minus 1, my y is 3, my z is what? Minus 2. Do we have such option there? So we check minus 1. Are we sure we have it? Minus 1, 3 minus 2. Okay, look at it here. So V is the answer. Yeah. Very simple. Bye.